Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Venu Sq music, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your heart rate measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, don't move too much. Basically try to keep still. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so now let's continue with the measurement. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen and you're on the watch face, the home page, you can swipe up or down on the screen. Scroll through this list until you find the heart rate widget, this one. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor, and the heart rate widget should start measuring your heart rate automatically. So wait, as you can see it's measuring. Let's open it again. Basically this widget measures the heart rate in the real time, so it's gonna be showing your heart rate jumping around. As you can see, it's gonna jump around because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. And once you're basically done checking your heart rate, you can simply press the back button to close it, or it's gonna close itself after a couple of seconds. Okay, if for some reason your watch is not measuring your heart rate, you can open the settings. So to do it, press and hold the lower button, scroll down, tap on the settings icon, then scroll down, find the wrist heart rate option and tap on it. And here the status needs to be on auto. If it's turned off, your heart rate won't be measured. So make sure that it is enabled. And once it's enabled, you can go back, and now your watch should be measuring your heart rate. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.